Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can withdraw money from Z-League. So it's a pretty simple process. First of all, when you're on Z-League, you will go on the top right icon where you can see your profile and you will press on the icon. After that, this is a screen that you'll see. From here, you will press on transactions. As you can see right here above, you can see your wallet and your total balance as well. Now you'll press on transactions right below. Now, after you've pressed on transactions, this is what you'll see. You can see your transactions as well, other transactions below, but you'll go above to the all transactions option and you will press on this drop down arrow. Now, when you press on the drop down arrow, this is what you'll see. And from here, you can see the cash outs option. From here, you can cash it out and you can withdraw money from Z-League. After selecting cash out, you can press on apply filters. Now, if you've got money that you can cash out, you will get the option right here. But if you don't have the option right now, that means you might have to play more, you might have to use Z-League more, you might have to make more in order to have the transactions. But if you have got valid money for cash out, this is the option you'll see right here. And you will select the option right here to cash out and you can cash it out in your bank account. And that is how you can withdraw money from Z-League. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.